Good morning everyone. This is my new recipe for juicing. Really good for a healthy lifestyle. It's got everything you could want. We've got celery, we've got kale, we've got beetroot, we've got broccoli stem, some cucumber, lemon, peppers, carrots and apples. So let's get started and see what this tastes like. Okay, first of all, start the juicer. I like to put the apples in first so they can go in whole. In she goes. Squeeze that one down. Now when you're doing things like kale and the tougher ones, just group those together, put them in between apples or something like cucumber. Just give it a bit of liquid. It helps it just to go through. Okay, so we're going to put the broccoli in. About an inch of broccoli. Give that a push down. Oh, it's lovely. Crushing away. Right, we're going to put the lemon in. Push that down. Push that through. Let's try some carrots. Now with the celery, just let that feed itself through. Just grab. There you go. It just grabs in. And just let that crush itself. Let that all come through. Okay, we're going to put another apple in. Shove that down. And now we're going to put the beetroot in. And the pepper. And the carrot. Just let that all grind up. I mean, the vitamins and minerals that you're going to get from this is absolutely perfect if you're looking to build muscle and to lead a healthier lifestyle. I'm just going to pop that last apple in. Give that a squash. And look at this, look at this lovely dried sort of fruit and veg remains that are coming out. Look at the colour of this. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. That beetroot and the green just looks so appetising. Right, I'm just going to let that finish juicing for a minute, and then we'll get our glasses ready and pour it out. And look at the colour of that. That is so deep coloured. That will be unbelievable. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more videos on juicing. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.